in the last section here.
My name is Martha Sire, and I'm a professor in the biology department. I do formal teaching with undergraduates in the classroom and actually in the teaching laboratory as well.
Oh, okay.
Definitely a big difference. The best thing about being a professor is that you're also constantly a student. And that's the best thing about being a scientist. At Stanford, the areas of interdisciplinary science are really encouraged and supported. The most important way that people learn to become scientists is by actually doing science. So Francisco, do you have some new plates? So let's take a look at how they're doing. I work daily with students, talking to them about their experiments and the interpretation of their results, but also really trying to troubleshoot what went wrong. But it's a little bit hard to see that. What inspires us to really be biologists is that we actually want to understand how things work. Although it looks to me like these three. Our primary goal is to uncover knowledge. Then someday that knowledge may be key to understanding how to unravel a disease or come up with a new therapy for a disease. So that makes sense. And that has the P21 promoter, which is the one. When I can present to a student something more than what they've seen in high school biology, instead of just giving them facts, I try to inspire them by showing them how exciting it is to be able to work in a lab and come up with an idea for a way to analyze something that cells do that nobody else ever had the idea for before. And once they start thinking, how do we know that? What happens if we change this? What would be the consequences? Then I think we really start engaging them in the process of not just learning biology, but really learning how to become a biologist. It's just great to feel that you're opening a door for someone that didn't even know that the door was there. Biology at Stanford is one of the most popular majors for undergraduates for the simple reason that it is the most exciting science. That seems very clear to me. These guys aren't really growing at all, and that's the weakest promoter.
Right.
Yeah, so it all makes sense.
Yay!